Hello students, let us continue our geography period. Let us begin with this thought. One small positive thought can change your whole day. I am repeating, one small positive thought can change your whole day. Up to now, we have seen various regions like tundra, taiga, grassland, steppes and prairies, hot desert region, Sudan type grassland and equatorial region. Now let us move further. Page number 34. The natural regions given in the table are found in specific latitudinal extent between equator and poles, that means horizontally, which we have already seen. Availability of water and temperature found there determine the location and the extent of these regions. Beside the regions mentioned above, that means whatever we have seen up to now, from tundra to equatorial region, there are some more regions which stand out due to local conditions. They are the monsoon, the Mediterranean and the West European regions. While the monsoon and West European region stand out because of specific winds blowing there. The Mediterranean region is known for its rainfall in winters. There are described in the table below. So, we have seen that how various regions are formed horizontally from equator to poles, from tundra region to equatorial region. Now, let us see, besides this horizontal region, specific regions are also formed which are having the peculiar qualities, peculiar characteristics. These are formed due to the local condition, that means local atmosphere, local soil and local temperature of that specific area and availability of water in that region. Monsoon region. Now first let us see the monsoon region. First is the monsoon region. Now in the previous chapter we have seen various winds, in that we have seen the monsoon winds. So this monsoon region location is north and south of equator, that is 10 to 30 degree. Areas are Indian subcontinent. So our country here comes under the monsoon region. Then Philippines, West Indies, North Australia, East Africa and Americas, that is Central America. So in this way the location of monsoon region. Climate, summer temperature is between 27 to 32. Winter temperature is 15 to 24. Rainfall here in monsoon region is 250 to 2500 millimeters. Areas get rains in specific season from southwest monsoon. We have learnt about it in the chapter winds, how due to these monsoon winds this region have the rains. Rainfall is highly variable and distribution is quite uneven. That means it is not same throughout, it changes. Variable means it is changing, it is not same everywhere, and it is uneven, it is not same everywhere, even the rains changes. That means amount of rainfall. Natural vegetation, semi evergreen and deciduous forests. Vegetation depends on the distribution of rainfall. Trees found here are banyan, peepal, teak, sal, sesame, sandalwood, cinchona, bamboo, acacia, shrubs, grasses, etc. Now animal life. Wild animals such as tigers, lions, leopard, cheetahs, elephants, wolves, boar, monkeys, snake, peacock, cuckoo, etc. Domesticated animals are cattle, goats, horses. Human life. Large number of small hamlets, that means hamlet means villages. Very No, large number of villages are found here, small villages. Considerable difference in the diet and costume. Now there is a difference according to the region, the location, their diet and way of life, way of living also changes. Variety is found here. Population is mostly involved in primary occupation. Primary occupation means which are related to agriculture. Main occupation is agriculture.